Hello my good people, it's your girl once again. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Thank you for all the returning subscribers. I appreciate you and I love you so much. Thank you for the love and for the support. If you're a new person into this channel, welcome so much to this channel. We learn about home remedies for our hair, body and skin. So consider subscribing and liking this video and we're gonna learn all together. So on today's video, we are looking about juice that can help us to have a clear and glowing skin. And into the first ingredients, as you can see, we will be having our carrots. So carrots, I'm using 1 carrot, and as you all know, all my ingredients, I clean them, I wash them very well and I dry them up. So this one is washed and dried, and now we will be cutting into small pieces because at the end of it all we will be making a juice out of them. One thing I would like us to talk is the benefits, because we want to know why are we using these ingredients into our body, or are we taking this juice into our body, what is it going to help us with. So let us talk about the benefits as we follow up on how we prepare this. So why are we using carrots into this video or into this juice? We will find that carrots have antioxidant known as beta carotene, which helps the skin from sunburns. Also, it helps to slow down the skin aging by improving elasticity, hydration, texture, wrinkle and age spots. You will find that also carrots have a vitamin C, which helps the skin to make collagen, a protein that supports skin structure, elasticity, strength, and cell turnover. What is cell turnover? Maybe you'll be asking that. Cell turnover is the continual process of shedding down dead skin cells and subsequently replacing them with the younger cells. So that is cell turnover. Carrots will help you with that. Another thing, the vitamin C also in carrots helps protect the skin from UV damage. This is sun damage. You find someone, you have your skin has been damaged, it is maybe looking darker, it is tanning. So carrots will help you in that. So after cutting our carrots, we transfer them into a container so that we can look into the next ingredient. So remember, we are cutting these ingredients so that we can make a juice at the end of it all. So let's follow carefully on how we are making it and as we talk on the benefits. So on to our next ingredient, we will be doing a tomato. Yes, the next thing we are using a tomato. We will be cutting it also into small pieces as we talk on the benefits of using it. You'll find that tomatoes have B vitamins, which are essential for the skin health. These vitamins are B1, B3, B5, B6 and B9. You will find that these vitamins have anti-aging properties that reduce age spots. Another thing, it reduces wrinkles. Another thing, all this vitamin B contributes to cell repair. That is what we call cell turnover, which helps reduce hyperpigmentation and sun damage. So these are the benefits of using a tomato, and that is why we are using a tomato into this video, cutting it into small pieces, transferring it also to the carrots, and looking into the next ingredients. So on the next ingredient we are looking at, it is the ginger, and we want to know why we are using ginger also in this video. We are just using a small piece because we are not making a lot of juice. You'll find that ginger promotes natural radiance by enhancing blood circulation, this brightening the complexion, which leads to a healthy glow. Another thing, ginger has antiseptic properties which improves acne symptoms, and with this raw ginger, it helps with clearing scars caused by acne. So those are the benefits of ginger. Thank you for joining until this point. The other thing we are looking at, it's the beetroot. We also be cutting it into small pieces and transferring it also into the container. So why are you using beetroot into this video? Beetroot prevents early signs of aging and wrinkles. It prevents acne. It brightens dark lips. It fights skin pigmentation. It prevents tanning. These ones are caused by UV, and also it reduces dark circles. So these are the benefits of using these ingredients into this video. After cutting all our ingredients into small pieces, we transfer into the container, and after doing this also, we are going to blend this because we want to make a juice out of this. So as you can see, our ingredients are well cut, and by this we are going to make a juice out of it. So we are going to transfer these ingredients into a blender. If you have a juicer, you can use it. Actually, if you have a juicer, you don't need to cut them into pieces. I'm cutting them because I am using a blender. And let's follow as we do this together. So you can see these are our ingredients. So we transfer them into the blender, and when we transfer them here, we will be adding some water. We will be adding some water because you can see most of our ingredients, they are not watery, so we need to add a fluid that will make them to blend easily. And by that I'm using water. You can use water, any water that you use for drinking, it is okay. There is no specific water, only clean water that you use for drinking. You can add depending on the amount of your ingredients, or you can add depending on the amount of juice you need. And for me, I didn't need much because I prefer making a juice every day rather than making more and storing it at the moment. Because I have some time, I prefer making it every day if I'm using that juice every day, or thrice in a week depending on how many times I use it. So as you can see now, our juice is well blended, and after blending it, we are going to strain out the juice, because the juice is what mostly we need, because by this we believe that we have extracted all the nutrients out of the ingredients that we have. So you can use whatever you have for straining, whatever you have and whatever you feel okay with, and whatever you feel comfortable using, that is what you're gonna use to strain out all your juice. As for me, I'm using a sieve, so I'll strain out all the juice. As you can see, the juice is looking, wow, it's looking amazing, meaning that we have gotten the nutrients, and you can see it has taken the great color of the beetroots. So this meaning this is amazing, and we're gonna see it, or we can know about that when we are drinking it. When we feel the taste of the juice, we will know that we have gotten everything that we need. Remember, this juice is gonna help you if you have pimples, if you have scars caused by acne, if you have spots. This is a great juice for you, because I'm telling you the truth. If you make this juice, your juice, every day or thrice in a week, I'm telling you, you're gonna enjoy the results. You're gonna see a great change. So we transfer the juice into our jar, then we will be taking our juice. So if you have watched with me until this point, I will kindly request you to give me a like, and I will also request you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing, and I will really appreciate. Thank you so much. Our juices, we have transferred it to a jar, and now we are going to serve it. Then we are going to enjoy our juice. So thank you so much for liking, thank you for subscribing, consider also sharing, and we're gonna learn a lot together. You transfer this into our glass, or in our jar, our drinking jar, or in whatever you feel okay drinking it from. So me, I'm using this amazing jar of mine. This is where I will be taking my juice from. So as you can see, our juice is really looking amazing. So yes, after transferring, now we're gonna take this juice. Remember of all the benefits we have talked about. Remember of the benefits we have talked about concerning carrots, tomatoes, ginger, and beetroot. This, you're gonna love the benefits. I'm telling you, you will witness them. If you make this juice and take it, you are going to witness those benefits. I'm telling you, the juice is really amazing. It's amazing. It's so amazing. I love it. I love this juice. I take it mostly thrice in a week. If I'm able to make it a day, I do it daily. So thank you so much, guys, for liking this video. Thank you for following. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate you. I do not take it for granted. Remember, all the ingredients that we have used, you can get them outside in the market near you, or even in the supermarkets. These are affordable. You can't imagine, they are affordable. Actually, I don't think you're gonna use a lot. Very affordable. These are things that you bypass every day in the market, but they are of great benefit to us. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Bye.